Westinghouse WGen12000 Review, the best portable home backup generator. This Westinghouse WGen12000 portable generator can provide you with the power you need during a power outage. It is one of the most powerful portable generators on the market today, with a running wattage of 12,000 watts and a peak wattage of 15,000 watts. It comes with two GFCI outlets, so your electronics will be protected during a power outage. The plug-and-play design of this generator makes it very easy to set up, and it's also very durable. For those who want a generator that can power their entire home or just select appliances, the Westinghouse WGen12000 is definitely a good choice. Specifications of Westinghouse WGen12000 portable home backup generator. Features of Westinghouse WGen12000 portable home backup generator. 12,000 running watts and 15,000 peak watts. One of the most powerful portable generators on the market is Westinghouse's WGen12000. With 12,000 running watts and 15,000 peak watts, it can power all your appliances when power goes out. Additionally, the generator can be started remotely, electrically, and with a key fob. Also, you'll be able to see when the fuel gauge is low, so you can fill up before you run out. With its 10.5-gallon fuel tank, you can run this generator for 11 hours. Features 2 GFCI 120 volts. The device features 2 GFCI 120 volts outlets, one 120 volts L530R outlet, one 120 volts L1430R outlet that is ready to work with a transfer switch, one RV-ready 120 240ths of a volt 1450R outlet, and two 5 volts USB ports. Each outlet is also covered with rubber to prevent accidental contact. The WGen12000 is a very fuel-efficient, easy-to-use portable generator. Powered by the ultra-duty 713cc OHE V-twin Westinghouse engine. The long-lasting cast-iron sleeve and automatic low-oil shutdown make this generator more reliable and durable. In addition, the Westinghouse 713cc OHE V-twin engine uses an environmentally friendly fuel that is eco-friendly as well. Plug and play. In an emergency, portable generators are always available wherever you are. Westinghouse portable generators are reliable and fuel efficient. Westinghouse portable generators come with a remote starter key fob, a 12 volts battery charger, oil, an oil funnel, a toolkit, and an instruction manual. There is a possibility that residual oil or fuel odors may persist in portable generators due to the factory functional test. However, all of these generators comply with EPA and CARB regulations. The warranty covers parts, labor, and service for 3 years. Easy maintenance. The WGen12000 maintenance and protection features include automatic low oil shutdown, automatic voltage regulator, smart idle control, and VFD display to ensure that your machine runs smoothly. Electric start key fob. To start the WGen12000, simply push a button to initiate the process. With the WGen12000 key fob, you can start your generator remotely from 260 feet away. Transfer switch ready. You are able to power your home with ease with convenient 120 240ths of a volt 1450R outlets and twist lock L1430R outlets on the WGen12000. WGen12000, Smart Idle and Remote Electric Start. The WGen12000 is a powerful and versatile generator with a comprehensive control panel. With all the outlets, you don't need to worry about powering sensitive electronics or large home appliances at once. The WGen12000 will meet your toughest power needs. Control panel. 1. 1 touch push button. 2. Engine shut off. 3. Battery charging port. 4 5 volts DC USB ports. 5. VFD meter. 6. Main breaker. 7 120 240ths of a volt AC 50 AL 1430R. 8 120 240ths of a volt AC 30 AL 1430R. 9 120 volts AC 30 AL 530R. 10 120 volts AC 20 A 520R GFCI. 11. Circuit breakers. 12. Westinghouse SD switch outlet. What's in the box? Oil bottle. Oil funnel. Spark plug wrench. Remote. 12 volts battery cable. Conclusion? In case of an emergency, the Westinghouse WGen12000 portable generator is just what you need. When an outage occurs in your area, this generator will power your home with 12,000 watts of running power and 15,000 watts of peak power. Once the system has been installed, you can start restoring power right away thanks to the plug-and-play design. This amazing Westinghouse WGen12000 generator is not to be missed. Get yours now.